Alright, on this PAMCO trailer here, this one here's been completely disassembled. All the steel came off. We're talking subframe, fifth wheel plate, landing gear. Subframe was completely dismantled and the axles. Everything was blasted, powder coated, reassembled, all new suspension bushings, brakes, S-cams, drums, slack adjusters, airbags, brake chambers, the air valve, there's a picture of that ABS valve's all new. All three new augers, all three new auger motors, all the bearings. Everything's off, painted, repainted. We hooked everything back on like it's supposed to be. And then there's pictures of the entire trough. Since we had all the subframe and everything out of there, we cut that out and bent up thicker grade aluminum and welded that on the whole subframe. You will not find a trailer more refurbished than this one here.